Hello, chat. How are you guys? I hope you guys are fine. So basically, it's London session. Let's hope that we can find some trades. Um, my time window for London session, especially for trading, is after 2:45. So we will wait for the price to hit that time, and then we will see something. Meanwhile, I will do some analysis that needs to be done so that you have a basic understanding what we are looking for. Okay, so let's go through this. Okay, so on the daily, we have this round liquidity, I believe. Reason being, first of all, we have a good breaker block, and that might price might react from. So this is for me a good area to look for my trades, and if this was the daily area that we are looking for, and in that area we have a good FEG that is that might fill, and this is the main area. It's a buy to sell area, or you can say break of structure. And in 1 hour, I have a good, this is the, I believe this is a liquidity, what you call it, an inducement, or you can say it's an inducement. And we have a good mitigation block with this, or you can say कि हमारे पास भी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है with this FVG. ठीक है, तो currently price is reacting from this 1 hour OB, and we have so this is break of structure. Okay, this is the first liquidity, and this is the second liquidity, and then we have this H1. So what we are looking for is, let's see. um so this is where market started, and if I can see this as the relative liquidity that I can see, and currently, what's a good sign of price that is being swept? We have this OB, 5 minute OB. Come on, let's see what happens. If I get this breakup structure to the downside and with an FVG, so most probably I might get an entry around here, stop loss this, and target these areas. So let's see how this area is reacting. As if you can see, there is a lot of liquidity here as well. This is a swing high. These are the equal, relative equal um, highs. So the only uh, again point is कि market को दो directions में जाना है. Most probably the main direction would be um, this 1 hour if order block. I want to see price here. अब सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि ये प्राइस यहाँ पे आएगी कैसे. दस वन थिंग दैट वी शुड फिगर आउट कि भाई किस तरह इसको आना है. सही है. तो फॉर मी आई बिलीव के दो तरीके हो सकते हैं. आइदर प्राइस will do this and we might get this setup, or price give this break of a structure and take this inducement and then go from here. So let's see what price will do. Okay, so there is new news. Okay. Okay, this mm, at 1 p.m. Keep in mind, guys, this is Pakistani time, so and in this area we have in New York we have this unemployed claims. Okay, I have set an alarm. Let's see if we get a breakout structure below this. I might not take this trade because I think कि भाई इतना हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड ये नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. But let's see if risk and reward is good. If I can get a tight SL, then I might get into this. But let's see what happens. Until we get a break of structure, let's journal this. I haven't journaled it quite a while. Okay, guys, I'm done with my analysis. I'm sorry, but it's very crucial. You should always journal your trade. ठीक है. मसला ये होता है कि आप जब जर्नल नहीं करते हो तो फिर यू वुडंट हैव डेटा टू प्ले विथ. ठीक है. मेक श्योर कि भाई आपके पास हमेशा डेटा हो, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि भाई आप जब भी अगर किसी ट्रेड में हैं या जब भी अगर आप किसी ट्रेड में होते हैं तो यू हैव समथिंग टू शो. अगर कुछ भी नहीं होगा तो फिर मसले सिर्फ मसले ही होंगे. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉर, आई डोंट थिंक सो कि प्राइस कैन कम ऑल द वे हेयर. उसका रीज़न ये है कि आई बिलीव इफ प्राइस इज लुकिंग फॉर दीज लिक्विडिटीज, until unless this liquidity जब तक नहीं उठाता प्राइस, तब तक आई डोंट थिंक सो कि इस लिक्विडिटी को उठाना चाहिए. बट बिकॉज as you know, price always moves from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. So मेरे हिसाब से price should do something like this. Come here, give another breakup structure, take this liquidity, and from here it might reverse to this downside. So for me right now, I am looking for at least this area. ठीक है. इस एरिया के लिए लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन गेट दिस एरिया. अगर ये हमें मिल जाता है तो एंड होपफुली वी कैन हैव एन एंट्री. अलार्म सेट कर दिया है मैंने. सो आई बिलीव इन दिस करंटली जो 1 आवर की कैंडल चल रही है, आई वुड लव टू सी this 1 hour candle gets bearish within, let's say, next 15 minutes, and then it must go. लेकिन अगर ये इस तरह ही चलती रही और सिर्फ अम, अगले 15-20 मिनट में ये नीचे नहीं आई तो मोस्ट probably we will have a new FVG and this area would be here, which I basically don't want. आई वॉन्ट दिस नेक्स्ट आवर कि अगले 15-20 मिनट में यहाँ तक आ जाए. ठीक है. बिकॉज वी हैव जस्ट टेकन एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी एंड आई वांट प्राइस टू बी इन इंटरनल लिक्विडिटी, ताकि उसको हम जो है फिर दोबारा उठा सकें एंड देन इट मस्ट गो ऑन. तो let's see what happens. Let's see gold. What's new with gold? Okay, gold is looking pretty good. It's a good sweep, and We have this 4 hour candle, so it's kind of a sandwich when you are stuck between two effigies. Yeah, let's see what 1 hour is doing. Oh, this is interesting. We haven't took Asia low. That's kind of weird. And we are currently at this order block, which is also weird because above this, above this you have Asia high. So that's interesting. Let's look at 15 minute. What 15 minute is saying. Okay, there it is. Also, this is kind of good. This is a really good area. Um, I would love to see price right here. Gold is looking much better than EU, and at least we have a clear drawn liquidity on gold. But main problem with gold is I don't know if we can reverse from this area or we will sweep the Asia high and then reverse back. So and again we have this gap that needs to be filled. So tick boxes are quite filled. Price is above midnight. Okay, and we haven't swept the Asia low, which is good. We have gap around here. That's also good. Um, but the only problem for me is this Asia high. Okay, either either we will sweep this Asia high and tap into this order block. That's number one. Okay, or we might just reverse from here. So I really don't know, but we will see what happens. So let's see. This is the crossing area for me. I really want price to reach here, and then we will see if we can um, uh, get price according to us. So for now, both are open. I don't think so. Okay, I would clear one and not other. So um, it's just waiting game. Again, trading 90% of the time it's just the patience waiting game. Only waiting game. इसके अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं है. If you don't have the patience, you are not meant for the trading. So अगेन आपको बस चुप करके बैठना है, देखना है कि भाई इफ प्राइस कम्स. समटाइम्स ऐसे भी होता है प्राइस आती तो है उस पीओआई में, बट यू डोंट गेट कंफर्मेशंस. समटाइम्स विंडो टाइम जो आपका होता है उसके बाद आता है उसमें, तो यू रियली डोंट नो कि भाई कब आ सकता है या कब नहीं आ सकता. सो इट्स जस्ट अ पेशेंस गेम, सो यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट. Okay, EU is looking for this liquidity now. I would have really loved if EU traded back here before taking this liquidity. That would have been a good, um, because you see, this is the reactor from where we did breakaway structure, as well as we had an FVG and a swing low, so we had a lot of liquidity around here. So that's a shame. Okay. Okay, so EU has taken liquidity, so I guess we might won't see price here. Maybe it will go here first, and then from there we might see the reaction. On the other hand, gold is reacting from this order block, which is weird because I really want gold to at least hit 50% of this. Nope, we didn't get 50%. What's happening? Let's go on 1 minute chart. Um, a lot of liquidity. Okay. Okay, so we are just moving from external to internal. Okay. Um, I would love to see this 5 minute candle to hold. I don't think so. There should be a reason for this to not hold. अगर ये hold नहीं करता है Fiji, so then most probably our target will be this. Let's see. EU is bumped. price is really close to our 1 hour OB. So let's see. We just missed our entry on the London Open. Okay, so my trading time window is officially off because I trade between 2:45 to 3:30. If I find out a trade इस बीच में अगर मुझे नहीं मिलता तो I usually avoid trading. So, but before going, we might let me give you some insight. Okay, what I will be looking for gold. गोल्ड में मैं इस तरह का कुछ either this low gets swept or this low gets swept. दोनों में से कोई एक अगर स्वेप होता है तो then we might uh, get a good uh, don't follow blindly, so make sure कि भाई आप नहीं करें ऐसा. So most likely is that this low will be swept and this is the and this will be the target. So my normally target is always 1 to 2. So this is what I will look for at least. So you know, देख लीजिएगा अगर ऐसा कुछ आपको मिल रहा है बट जो जस्ट डोंट बी स्टूपिड सबसे पहली बात तो ये. सो मेक श्योर कि आप सही से उस चीज़ को देख रहे हो और सही से उस चीज़ को कर रहे हो. होप यू एंजॉयड द लाइव स्ट्रीम. Let me know if anything is missing. I will make sure to add it. Peace out.